Ready? Hi guys, good news. Um, Over the last month or so, we got plenty of subscribers. We're like at, I think, 1,100 subscribers now. Thank you so very much for the support. I can continue my channel now without any disruption to the income I get from it. It's not a lot, about $100 a month, but it all helps out. So thanks very much for doing that. It's much appreciated. I have been really unwell, and I did promise that I would do a clip last week, but I'm really sorry, I couldn't do it. I've been spending so much time in bed and on painkillers. I haven't been able to, but I will do it as soon as possible, I promise. So from Home Mechanics, Man Cave, um, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much for subscribing, and it's much appreciated. But that doesn't mean you need to stop now, okay? Keep subscribing and liking, and encourage other people to watch my stuff. And I promise the quality of material will get better and better as time comes along. I have many ideas already of other things apart from fixing Jeeps, but other things to do with Jeeps that I can film that you will be interested in. So from Rick here from Home Mechanics, over and out, and happy Jeeping.